Namaskar, my dear friends. Let us do an NI multi-sim simulation for alternate LED array drive. So what we'll have is, we will have an array of LEDs like 1, 2, 3, like that. And then we will try to run each one of them, like properly. How to drive them. And similar same array will be there one more. And we will drive them alternatively like this. Okay. So once this will enable, another one, this will enable. So let us open that. So this is my NR multi-sim. What I have done is I have taken a 12 volt supply, so that for 12 volt, let us say voltage drop of one LED is 2.7, around 3 volt. So 3 4s are 12. That is 4 LEDs you can drive maximum. Okay. So that you should understand. So this 12 volt will be able to drive 4 series LEDs. So what I have done here is, these LEDs is connected in series, and they are going to be like controlled by this particular NPN transistor. Similar to that, same array is connected this side, and this will be also controlled by this transistor, and then it is grounded. Got it? So as you can see, this is nicely drawn here. Now let us drive this and try to see what is the result. So once you run it, once this will be on, then this will be on, like that it will happen. Okay, let's wait for some time, or I think I need to, yeah, now it is happening. See, in the beginning the capacitor had like charged immediately, so that's the reason it was not dissipating. So you can see green, then orange, then green, then orange, right? So the delay, if you want, you can control by like varying the values of this resistor and this capacitor. So what I'll do is, I'll try to make it little faster. For that, I can reduce the capacitance size to 22 microfarad. Okay, so let us make that 22 microfarad. So the speed will increase a little. Okay, so you can see once it starts switching each one of them, let us stabilize. Okay, yes, now you can see it has become little faster because the value of capacitance has been reduced. Okay, if you want to make it much faster or increase the brightness, you can reduce the resistance size so that it can be made much more faster. All right, so hope you have a like a good understanding and enjoyed a lot by making the LED indication in NI Multisim. So this is one of the best tool I have identified recently, and we have this particular tool is there from NI Multisim for a few decades. However, uh, this is very useful to like simulate LEDs indication or voltage drops or voltage division, current division, anything you want to have. So if you do have any questions or any queries and you want to enjoy some circuits as a hobby, you can put down your queries in the comment box, and we shall be able to solve that problems. Thank you.